So we are in Milan today. We'll go for some. Let's go. I'm in Milan today. We're gonna go out. It's a nice weather. Go to the gym first, and then after the gym, we're gonna go off to the mall to go. That's the hotel's beautiful lobby. Oh, nice. Look at this. We are living in this world where you have NFTs, arts are being displayed in the hotel's lobby. The people who are into crypto and NFTs can understand like how much this value. Okay, we are walking all the way towards that mall, and then we're gonna go get some groceries. We are in Milan. It's nice, beautiful day. It's quite sunny actually. I mean, it's hot. It's like 35, 36 degrees. And for Milan, it's quite hot. Usually it's a nice, pleasant weather here, but it's sunny and it's warm. Last time I came, even though it's in a supermarket, but they do this nice, cheesy, really thin crusted margherita pizza, and I really love it. And even though it's a workout or a gym or a diet, but you cannot miss out this pizza. And then of course they have nice huge Italian delicacies. You got this huge supermarket if you want to do some stuff. I usually buy some olive oils and some Italian local products here, which are quite better rather than buying from Middle East. So we'll just go through it. I'll take you through the options that are available. So Italy have this culture of this espresso. So everything is basically done in the small cup. So if you want the coffee, they will give you an espresso, and that's the local culture here. They just drink by the bar. You just stand by here, order an espresso, have a shot of this small little cup, and that's it. Just move on. And one thing as well I noticed last time from Italy, is a lot of people play this lottery. I mean, there's always this long queue that they sell this lotto, and a lot of people they buy it basically. They believe on it. So that's basically the pizza shop that I was talking about right there. They make this fresh. They have this wood oven and nice Italian pizzas. We'll come back to that. We'll go to the grocery shop to buy some stuff, and I'll take you through. And then on the way back, we'll try some pizza over here. So let's get this. Alright. What was new for me is, you see this, they have this mozzarella cheese, so which is kind of filled with some original and authenticated, you know, they have their own water of it. They basically dip the mozzarella and they pack it in this packet. It's really nice, fresh, made in Italy, really cool. There's a huge selection of wines if you're a fan of that. Italy is famous for its wines. They produce one of the best wines in the world. Obviously some Prosecco's as well. Some authentic and original olive oils. There are two places that you can buy the olive oil. The best one either from Italy or then either from Spain. And I tried the one from Italy before. It was really wonderful. They're nice, organic, extra virgin olive oil, very healthy. This place is coffee heaven. They have all these sort of coffees. They're mostly being espressos, espressos. And that's what they got. I don't know like how many selections of. Check out from here. Grocery. Let's And that's it. This is what you got to receive. Your grocery and you're all good to go. Okay, this is what we're gonna try. They have this live wood oven and we'll order some maybe margarita pizza. It's quite cheap. It's not that bad. That's good. They're all finished with this, so we can order a fresh one. That looks nice as well. No clothes. Guess what happened? I was waiting for the pizza. I went to the gym. I thought, okay, so I'm gonna eat pizza today. I will go to the gym. Came back, very excited with my grocery and everything. Went to the counter. Guess what? She said there's no pizza. So I'm gonna have to wait. And I came to this place and they have this old style of pizza. I asked her if she can make it a round pizza, but apparently they don't have that. So I just took this margarita squared one, and she's gonna back it and it's heating up in the oven. Yes. Let's go sit somewhere. That's all it was. It doesn't look very tempting to be honest, but I just had no choice. I was hungry. So I'll just give it a try. It's hot, I mean it's crunchy. It's still okay, but I guess it's just okay. It's nothing special. Quite oily. You see the crust at the back? It's a little bit oily. Hard. It's been there for a while, so it's not really freshly made. Yeah. What to do? Not happy at all. They just told me they are open now and they started making pizza, and that's a happy news. So I just asked her, she's very kind, and I asked her to make one margarita for me. She's gonna do the fresh one. And that's their traditional way of making pizza. That's mine, right? Looks really nice. That's okay, no problem. No need. Pizza with the hand, no? Grazie. Bye. This is what a real pizza would look like, you know. She made it fresh and it's steaming hot. And here we go. It's really hot. It's really hot. That's the best one. It's so big. I mean, it's like medium. They gave it for €5 to be honest. Imagine the pizza that's so cheap on the market, and it's so delicious. The flavor, the cheese, you know, it's like nicely done and it's thin crusted, really beautiful. So yeah, this was my leftover pizza. Couldn't really finish the next one. Just carry it with me if I feel hungry later.